Well guys, as you can see, I'm in the turkey woods this morning. Not much going on. I did see a few hens and a couple of jakes early this morning, probably about between 7:15, 7:30, something like that. Last bird I saw was about 8 o'clock. It was a hen. I've only heard one gobble, and that was actually one of the jakes. I actually saw him gobble. I just wasn't able to get it on film at the time. But that's turkey hunting. But today, while I was sitting here trying to figure out what I wanted to do and where I want to go, decided to talk a little bit about small property. Now the property I'm hunting today, it's private land, and it's only about 30 acres, if that. The guy that owns it allows me to come out here and turkey hunt. He does deer hunt, but he doesn't turkey hunt, and he allows me to come out here. So I've only got about 30 acres to play with, and I've been hunting this property going on about, I don't know, 5 years maybe. 5, maybe 6 years. A couple things I've learned about this particular property and a lot of other small properties is a lot of times you won't hear the birds gobble, and that could be because of pressure, or it could be because of predators. The pressure being the predators. They'll gobble in the trees. They will, but once they hit the ground, they quit, and you don't have no idea where they're going. In all my years of hunting here, I've only heard them gobble 2 or 3 times, 3 or 4 times rather. I did hear a jake gobble this morning. The other last week I heard a handful of them gobbling in the trees, but I've yet heard a hen. I have walked up on hens out here, and they've never even putted. They just take off running. And that's due to, I think, a lot of that has to do with predators in the area. So when you come into these small areas like this and you don't hear anything, it may be because of the predator. So my tactic that I use here, I do utilize a decoy. I utilize one. I'll put that decoy out, and about every hour, 2 hours maybe, I may do a soft, very, very soft yelp with a couple clucks, and just to let, if there is anything out there and he's close, just kind of let him know where I'm at. And that's it. Again, it's only 30 acres, and it's a long strip of property as well. It's not wide. I don't even think it's 150, 200 yards wide, but it's about a mile long. Sorry about that. Allergies. But you can't walk around in these woods and yelp and try to get one to sound off. Number one, they're not going to do it. On this particular property, they're just not going to do it. And it could be happening on your property. You know you got birds in there. You've seen them before. You maybe have trail cam pictures of them. But you never hear them gobble, and you think they're not utilizing this property. Last week, I hunted over 10 hours. I sat in one spot and stayed right there. That bird never, when he came in, he never gobbled. You could hear a little bit of spitting and drumming from him, but that was about it. And sometimes this is what you got to do. You got to just stay quiet, put a decoy out, and yelp every now and then. See if anything comes by. Today I'm going to be calling it early. I'm kind of hungry, and I got some things to do this afternoon. So, but anyway, guys, my little tip, my little tactic on hunting small properties. If y'all have any tips or tactics that y'all use hunting small properties, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can get all the videos that I put out. And leave me a comment. You know, tell me what you think. But anyway, guys, we will see y'all next time on Daddy Duck 365. Let's call this a day.